students, today we are going to start Exercise 4.4. This is the last exercise of this chapter, linear equation 2. I am going to start with first question. What is the statement? Give the geometrical representation of y equal to 3. This linear equation is given. We have to represent this linear equation as in one variable, in two variables. What is the meaning of one variable? When one variable is there, it means we are going to represent the given equation on the number line only. One variable means on the number line only. Since it is given y equal to 3, only one variable is there. When one variable is there, so it means I am going to represent this on the number line. Simple, you have to convert, write the given value on the number line. As you know, this is the number line. This is your positive x-axis or y-axis. This is negative. Okay. Now I am going to represent the value of y on the number line. Y is given. Y equal to 3 is given. So value is 3 is in this point. So this is going to represent y equal to 3 on the number line. Remember, it is very simple. When one variable is there, it means you have to represent the given value on the number line only. It means you have to show 3 on the number line. Okay? 3 is here, so this is going to represent y equal to 3. Is it clear? Now I want to show in its two variables. So I write here number 2 in two variable. When two variable is there, I am going to write the standard form of linear equation of two variable first. What is the standard form of linear equation of two variable? As all you know, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form of a linear equation of two variable. And you know, when this type of equation is there, we have to draw the graph by using x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is known first and y-axis known as the second. So two variables are there. Okay. Now I want to convert the given equation in the standard form. This is the standard form. So I take this positive 3 from right to left. So this becomes y minus 3 equal to 0. Since x is missing, so instead of x, I can write 0 into x. As you know, 0 into something is 0. It means when I am going to add 0 in y, it is going to remain same. So it can be written as 0 into x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now it is in the standard form of the linear equation two variables. Now two variables are there. It means x is going to be represented by x-axis and this y is going to be represented by y-axis. Okay, now I want to draw the table of this equation. So minimum two values is required to draw any graph of linear equation two variable. So I want to write the two values only. I take first x equal to 0 and after that x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So I want to substitute the value of x in this equation. See what I write here. When x equal to 0, I want to put the value of x in this equation. So 0, instead of x I want to write 0 plus y minus 3 equal to 0. As you know, 0 to 0, 0 plus y minus 3 equal to 0, y minus 3 equal to 0, y equal to 3. I take minus 3 from that word. It means when we take x equal to 0, value of y becomes 3. Okay? Now, next time I take x equal to 1, I want to write this equation again. Point 0 into x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Now I want to take right here when x equal to 1. It means I want to take x as 1. So instead of x, I write 1. What is left? Y minus 3 equal to 0. As you know, 0 to something. 0 to something is 0. Y minus 3 equal to 0. So this becomes y minus 3 equal to 0 and y equal to 3. The value of y is going to again repeat. Same value is there. You can take x value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anything. The value of y is going to remain same because it is given. Y is going to be represented by only 3. So no matter you take x 1, 2, 3, y is going to remain same. So minimum two values are there. Now I want to represent this value on the graph. So this is your 0. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this axis is known as x-axis and this axis is known as y-axis. So this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. Since positive numbers are there, so I want to represent only positive number on the number line, graph. So x value is 0, where is x is 0? In this point x is 0 and the value of y is 3. Where is y value 3? Here. So this point, this is the first point. The point becomes 0 and 3. This is the first point. Now x value is 1. Where is x value 1? Here. In this point x value is 1. And the y value is same. Y value is 3. So I want to represent this value like this. This is the second point. and this is represented by 1 and 3. Now 2 points are there. Now I want to join these 2 points. When I go to join these 2 points, this is the required graph of the given equation. So this is the graph line of whose equation? Y equal to 3. When we are going to represent y equal to 3 on the number line, this line is going to show. And remember one thing, I want to tell you important point. When y equal to given something, suppose y is equal to given a, so then the graph of this line is going to, graph is always parallel to x-axis. Then the graph is going to parallel to x-axis. When y value is given, then it is going to parallel to x-axis. See, this is the graph. This line is going to parallel to this. It means graph of y equal to 3 is going to parallel to x-axis. And if x equal to something is given, then the graph of such type of equation is always parallel to y-axis. Okay? When value of x is given and we are going to represent the value of x on the 2 variable, then the graph line of x is become parallel to y-axis. It means line become either this side or either this side. Okay, when it's going to be represented by y, if it is positive, then it's going to upper side, and when if it is negative sign, then it's going to represent on the lower part of the x-axis. Okay, and when y value is given, then the graph of this type of equation is going to parallel to x-axis. If x value is given, then the graph of this type is given to parallel to y-axis. You can remember this. Okay. Now I'm going to solve question number 2 of exercise 4.4. This is the last question of this exercise. See what is given. Give the geometrical representation of equation 2x plus 9. Now equation become 2x plus 9. We have to represent this equation number 1 on the 1 variable. Number 2 on 2 variable. 1 variable means we have to represent this equation on the number line only. For 2 variable, 2 lines are required. From 2 lines, one of them is x-axis and another is going to be represented by y-axis. Okay? Now I want to represent this equation on the number line. I want to solve its first part. For first part, I want to find the value of x. Okay? So see, 2x is equal to minus 9. I take this positive 9 from left to right. So this is going to change the sign. So value of x become minus 9 by 2. Minus 9 by 2 can be written as minus 4.5. It means when you are going to divide 9 by 2, 2 4s are 8. 1 is left. Take decimal here. After take decimal, use it out. 2 5s are 10. So value become 4.5. Since negative sign is there, so it is going to be represented by minus 4.5. So I want to represent this minus 4.5 on the number line. Okay? Now see, between 4 and 5. Between 4 and 5 is point going to lies minus 4.5. Okay? This is going to be represented by minus 4.5. If it is x equal to, so right here x equal to minus 4.5. This is the representation of given equation in one variable. Okay? When one variable is there, it means you have to represent the given equation only on the number line. This is our number line. Now I want to solve its second part. In second part, we have to show in 2 variable. 2 variable, as you know, the standard equation of the 2 variable, is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So I want to write the given equation as in its standard form. So I write here 2x plus 9 equal to 0. X variable is given, y variable is missing, and question term is given. So instead of y variable, see, I want to write 2x plus 0 plus 9 equal to 0. If I want to add 0, if I add 0 any number, then it is number going to 1. If it is 1, it will remain 1. If it is 2, it is going to remain 2. No change is there. In the same way, I write here 0. Okay? And instead of 0, see, I want to write 0 into y. 0 into something is 0. I take y variable. With missing variable, I write here. Instead of b, I write 0 and y here. So 0 to something, 0. When we add 0 to 9, it is going to be represented by this. So no change is there. And this equation can be written as its standard form. Okay? Now this is the standard form of equation of 2 variables. Now we want to draw the graph. For drawing the graph, minimum how many values are required? two values are required. Okay. Now I want to find the value of x and y. I take y as 0 and y as 1. I take the variable of y. I want to put the value of y in this equation. After putting the value of y, I got the value of x. See, I write here when y equal to 0, I want to put the value of y in this equation. So see, 2x instead of y, I want to write 0. As you know, 0 to something 0 and 0 plus 9 is 0. So this becomes 2x plus 9 equal to 0. And the value of x become minus 4.5. So I write here minus 4.5. Okay. Next time I going to take y as 1. So I write here when y equal to 1, I want to substitute this value in this equation. So I write here 2x plus 0 into 1 plus 9 equal to 0. Instead of y, I want to write 1 because I take y as 1. So as you know, 0 into 1 is 0, 0 plus 9 is 9, and this is going to remain same. Same equation come. As you know, when 2x plus 9 is there, the value of x become 0.45. Okay, 0.45. This is the value. See, same value is there. In the same way, you can take y2, 3, 4, value is going to remain same. Okay, no changes there. Now I want to represent these two values on the number line. See, I take y equal to 0. Where is y 0? In this point y is 0. And the value of x is given minus 4.5. Where is minus 4.5? Between 4 and 5. This point is going to be represented by minus 4.5. So this is the first point. This is become 0. No, write the value of x first. Value of x is 0.45 and the value of y is 0. So this is going to be represented by minus 4.5 and 0. Next time what is given? Y equal to 1. Where is y equal to 1? In this point. Y is 1 and the value is going to remain same. So I want to extend this point to upward and take this point here. So this point is going to be represented by minus 4.5 and 1. This is the second point. When two points are there, it means graph is going to, after joining these 2 points, I'm going to get the required graph. So this is the required graph of the given equation in two variables. When two variables are there, then the graph line of the given equation are come like this. In previous question, I told you when value of x is given to anything, then the graph line is going to presented by parallel to y-axis. When x value is given, the graph line of this type of equation going to parallel to y-axis, or when y value is given to something, then the graph of this type of equation going to parallel to x-axis. Okay, so see, the graph of this equation is parallel to y-axis. This is the answer of this question. I hope it is clear now.